Welcome to A1 English College, where we help you master English for exams, everyday communication, and career success. Here you'll find powerful tutorials, exam-focused strategies, real past question practice, and proven tools to boost your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. Whether you're a high school student, a private candidate preparing for WASSCE, a university student, a teacher looking for effective resources, or just someone who wants to level up their English, you're in the right place. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content from this channel. Also, comment, like and share as a way of supporting this project. Thank you. You may visit our website for additional help and tips. Let's dive into today's topic. Your journey to better English writing, reading, and speaking is about to move to the next level. How to use causative verbs in English. Do you want to learn to use causative verbs like make, have, let, get, and help in English sentences? Then you're in the right place. I'm about to give you a quick guide on the acceptable grammatical structure for some of the most common causative verbs in the English language. Let's begin with a clear definition of causative verbs. What is a causative verb? A causative verb is any verb that shows that an individual or thing causes another to perform an action or to go through a particular experience. In other words, a causative verb helps the speaker or writer express actions that someone may have caused another to do. In this lesson, you will have a concise explanation of the 5 most common causative verbs in English. These are make, have, let, get, and help. Get ready to learn the correct use of causative verbs in grammatical structures. I will give you practical examples of the acceptable use of causative verbs for your easy understanding. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Make. The verb make is one of the best-known causative verbs in English. To use make as a causative verb, follow the formula below. Make is used when someone is forced or strongly caused to do something. Thus, the grammatical structure involving the correct use of make goes like this. Subject plus make plus object plus base verb. Here are a few examples of the correct use of make to guide you. Examples. His joke made everyone laugh. It was Tina who made me lose my temper. You can never make everyone like you. The loud music made me lose focus. The boss made the team work late. The dress Doris wore made many heads turn. Did she make Ron fall in love? What Ken told you shouldn't make you hate Linda. Sonia will make you laugh on any day. Why didn't you make him understand you properly? 2. Have. The next causative verb you must learn to use correctly is have. We use have as a causative verb in situations where someone arranges for another person to do something. Here too, the correct grammatical structure involving have looks like this. Subject plus have, object plus base verb. The following examples further explain the acceptable use of causative verbs in English sentences. Examples. I had the plumber fix the leak. We had them form a small group of volunteers. The cab driver had the passengers pay what he charged. She had her assistant schedule the meetings. The principal had some students study marine fishing. Who had you change your mind at last? 3. Let. Let is part of the group of causative verbs that many people use in their daily communication with others. You will find yourself in situations where you must use let as a causative verb and do so correctly. So let's find out the correct use of let as a causative verb. Note that we use let in a scenario where someone allows another to do something. Structure, subject plus let plus object plus base verb. Here are some examples of the correct use of let in an English sentence. Examples. She let her children play outside. Don't let him go alone. Let Kafui enter the room. You should have let Kudus take the penalty kick. The coach let us arrive early today. I didn't let my fears stop me from pursuing my dreams. Will she let me marry you? Forget. As a causative verb, get is used when we persuade or arrange for someone to do something. There is a slight change in the correct grammatical structure involving the use of get. It's all about the inclusion of to in such sentences. Thus, the correct use of get follows the grammatical rule below. Subject plus get plus object plus to plus base verb. Examples. I got him to help with the work. She got the kids to clean their room. Who finally got David to change his mind? We got the technician to check the system. Get him to clean that car now. 5. Help. The verb help is also among the most common causative verbs in English, and you need to learn its correct use in any sentence. Note that we use help as a causative verb when someone assists another person to perform a particular action. In such a scenario, the correct grammatical structure takes the following form. Subject plus help plus object plus base verb. Here come some examples of the correct use of help as a causative verb. Examples. She helped me study for the test. He helped her to find her lost keys. They helped us clean the classroom. The church helped the couple raise their 3 children. Who helped you pay for that house? Would you have helped Rita get the job? I didn't help Mary file for divorce. He was the coach who helped the team win the final match. To summarize, always remember these key points each time you need to use causative verbs in the right way. First, the grammatical structure involving a causative verb can change depending on the type of verb in question. Secondly, it can be tempting to confuse causative verbs with regular verb patterns. For example, while made is a causative verb in the sentence, my uncle's wickedness made me cry, it is just the usual transitive verb in the sentence, my uncle made bags in his youth. Finally, one way to increase your mastery of the correct use of causative verbs is to practice often. You can construct sentences that are direct commands and then try replacing them with causative verb structures. Here are a couple of examples to guide you. Direct command, clean the house. Causative verb structure, get someone to clean the house. Direct command, fix your car. Causative verb structure, have the mechanic fix your car. Direct command, open the gate. Causative verb structure, let them open the gate. Thank you for learning with A1 English College, your trusted guide to mastering English for exam success, daily communication, and success in your chosen profession or business. If today's lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial or study strategy. Have a question, a topic request, or need extra help? Drop it in the comments or visit us anytime at a1english.com for more lessons, resources, and courses designed to help you excel. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to English mastery. See you in the next lesson.